Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel to import the pod data so that you can do some data analysis. So at this point, the pod data should already be on the computer and uploaded to a place that you know how to find. I chose the desktop because I can see it on the desktop, but also I don't keep many other things there. So once your data is uploaded, you're ready to open Excel. Once Excel opens, it'll give you a lot of different templates that you can use. We're just going to select blank workbook. So in the blank workbook, there's nothing in Excel yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell Excel to put our pod data here. So if you go to the top of Excel, go to the Data tab, you'll see all these different options for how to manipulate large quantities of data. What we're going to do is we're going to import data. So we're going to go to the left side and select From Text because the pods put the data into a text file already. Once that's open, we'll go to the desktop and then select our pod data. Now once the pod data is selected, go ahead and click Get Data. So now Excel opens up the text import wizard. On this first screen of the wizard, just make sure that the file origin matches whatever computer you're using. So if you're using a Macintosh, it should say Macintosh, but if you're using a Windows, it should say Windows. When that matches, go ahead and click Next. So now Excel is asking us what the delimiter is. The delimiter is whatever symbol is separating all the data down here. The pods use commas as delimiters. So go ahead and click the comma checkbox and unclick the tab checkbox. And then go ahead and click Finish. Now Excel's wondering where we should put the data. I usually put the data into cell A2 because that gives us the whole first row to import the headings. So we'll go ahead and click OK, and then Excel will say Preparing Worksheet as it does at the bottom. And once that's done, your data will be imported in the format that the pod recorded it. If you look at the pod's operating procedures sheet, which you should have as a reference, you'll see that each one of these columns has a name in the order listed on the reference sheet. So this first one is the pod ID, second one is the date, the third one is the time in Greenwich Mean Time, and so on. So once you import all of those headings, you'll be able to make more sense of the data. So I hope this was helpful and that you guys are able to use it. Thanks.